Hello, dear friends. My name is Mahdia and I will be with you in the CSS training course. In the HTML training courses, we got acquainted with a series of important elements, and in this session, we will enter the CSS topics which are very interesting and you will enjoy learning CSS. First, I want to talk about the CSS introduction. CSS is a language that we use to style a web page. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and also describe how HTML elements should be displayed on a screen. CSS saves our work and time and also controls the layout of several web pages at once. Let me show you. In this section, we enter the W3 School website and examine this example together with the style sheet of the HTML elements like this. The upper part is green and the sidebar is blue and the menu are placed below each other like this. Now we click on the style sheet 2. The HTML codes are the same, only the CSS has changed, which has changed the appearance of the site. And the menu have been moved to the right side and the header of the site is red. Now I click the style sheet 3. The appearance of the site changes again. If we click on the style sheet 4, we see the appearance of the site has changes again. That is, the HTML codes are the same in each mode and only the CSS codes are changed. And if we click the last option, no CSS, it is not applied to them and the page looks like this. We have the series of HTML elements that are not stuck. So with CSS rules, the desired appearance is given to the HTML element. Now we will check why we use CSS. In fact, it's used to design the layout of web pages in a different size. For example, one with a computer, one with a phone, and maybe one sees the website page on a tablet. We control how it's displayed with CSS. HTML never includes tags for formatting pages. HTML was created to specify the contents of a website for us. When rules such as color, font size were added to the HTML codes, the processing of the codes became very long and expensive, as well as the readability. The code for the developer was done like a nightmare. For this reason, the codes related to the beauty and layout of the page were separated from the various elements of the page, so that both the readability of the codes increases and the development and maintenance of the codes become easier. W3 organization made CSS. Now I created 5 paragraphs in VSCode that I wanna be in the middle of the page and all of them be red. I give all of them a style. You can see that we write duplicate codes for this, and all paragraphs are displayed in red and in the middle of the page. If we do this with CSS, we avoid writing duplicate code. First, I return the codes to the previous state with Ctrl, Alt, and blue button. I chose this line and delete the style. After that, I enter head part. I write the style element to style the web page. I write the P curly brackets, that is style all the P elements inside this document. We put the text align equal center. With one line of code, they all came to the center. If you want to make them all red, we can see that with one line of code, they all become red easily. If we have 100p, we can make changes with one line code. Therefore, both of the readability of codes increased and the number of line codes decreased and the processing of the codes become easier. Guys, I did CSS introduction in this part. Please share this video with those interested in web development and don't forget support me by like and comment. Until next part, bye bye.